for a number of reasons. Number one, we're going to see dense fog tomorrow morning. Number two, our first chance of substantial rain arrives tomorrow afternoon. Heavy rain is likely from Atlanta and especially south of I-20. Further south you live, the more likely you are to see rain through the rest of the day tomorrow, the afternoon and evening. Two separate views for you. Midtown, you can see a few raindrops on the camera. On the right side of your screen is Lake Lanier. I'm not seeing any rain here in Georgia. There's rain to our east in South Carolina, rain to our west in Alabama, but it looks mostly dry here. Still seeing some patchy fog out there. But all of this is going to move out by the time you eat lunch today. The clouds will start to break and the afternoon is going to feel like a completely different day. It will be beautiful outside this afternoon under partly cloudy skies. More sunshine than we saw the last few days will allow temperatures to climb into the mid to upper 70s. So all in all, a really nice afternoon with high temperatures about 10 degrees above average. You got to take some time to get outside today. It's going to be the only day with sunshine until Sunday. All right. Again, tonight we're likely to see dense fog form. That's going to impact your morning commute tomorrow. Looking at tomorrow morning timestamp, top middle of your screen, looks mostly dry tomorrow, but around noon we're going to start to see light showers work their way in, and essentially through the afternoon a pretty constant rain moves in to areas south of I-20. North Georgia may remain completely dry during this time frame. That rain will continue through the overnight hours. By Thursday morning, still very heavy rain falling in Eatonton. The heavy rain pushes back down into central and south Georgia through Thursday, but we will see remnant showers here. So not everyone is going to see rain tomorrow. I want to emphasize that the further north you live, the less likely you are to see measurable rain. In fact, some areas like Ellijay, Canton, Rome, North Metro, the mountains may not even pick up any measurable rainfall. Right now, it looks like Atlanta will get in on about a half of an inch of rain, but check this out. Eatonton, almost 2 inches of rain, and just outside of our viewing area to the south, 5 inches of rain in Macon in a 24-hour period. So flash flooding is very likely for central and south Georgia. I just wanted to show you this to give you an idea. The gradient of rain is pretty substantial tomorrow. So we're going to be watching this closely, because if it sets up a little bit further south, we could get in on very little rain, or if that boundary sets up a little bit further north, we could get in on a lot more rain. Just know this is our first real chance of substantial rain tomorrow in about 5 weeks. Tropical storm Rafael, very close to Jamaica. This thing is going to move north, strengthen into a hurricane, passes over western Cuba as a hurricane. You can see there are tropical storm watches out for the Florida Keys, but outside of the Florida Keys, this storm is not going to have a major impact in the United States really at all. Looks like it moves into the Gulf of Mexico this weekend. It kind of looks like it gets ripped apart by upper level winds. So I don't think it's going to make landfall. I think it'll probably dissipate in the Gulf of Mexico. Regardless, the main impact it will have here is it's just going to funnel in tropical moisture, which is going to keep us in that unsettled weather pattern through the end of the week. So today, this afternoon, really the only day with sunshine through the rest of the work week. That rain arrives tomorrow, widespread rain continuing through Thursday morning, and then on and off showers Friday, Saturday night. By Sunday afternoon, we will dry out and it looks dry for Veterans Day. First Alert Meteorologist